In this video, you will learn how to set up custom permalinks in WordPress. Permalinks are URLs of pages and individual posts published on your WordPress website. They help users identify each content on your site. Before customizing the permalinks, let's create a new post. Let's name it something like Test. After naming your post, click on Save Draft here. And you can see that there is a permalink created for it now. This link contains the year, the date, and the post name. These are all the unnecessary information which makes it long. So back in our WordPress dashboard, go to Settings, then click on Permalink. Now here, you can see under the permalink settings, we have different options to choose from. Select Custom Permalink. You can just click on the structure tags to select or remove them. Let's remove day and month from this link. Then click on Save Changes. Now let's go back to the test post we just created. Right now, it has the old permalink, but once we reload the page, it should have the new permalink that we just saved. As you can see, the month and day are removed from the link now. But this still contains unnecessary information. So what we suggest is to keep the permalink settings to post name. Then click on Save Changes. Reload this page so that the new settings are loaded. And as you can see, this is much better than before. If you want to edit the name, you can do that by clicking here on Edit. Type in the name that you want. Then click on OK. When you change your WordPress permalink of a page or a post, search engines and other websites linking to that page will no longer be able to find it, and this will lead to a drop to traffic. To fix this, you need to set up 301 redirects. Redirects essentially redirect people who try to access your old URL to the new URL. Redirection is one of the best plugins for this purpose. This plugin permits you to line up redirects and also helps you find broken links. So in your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, then click on Add New. Type Redirection in the search bar and press Enter. This is the plugin right here. Click on Install Now to start the installation process. You can see that this plugin has a very good rating and has more than 1 million active installations. Once the installation is complete, the button changes to Activate. Click on this button to activate the plugin. After the plugin gets activated, you will be redirected to the plugins page. Scroll down to the Redirection plugin. Then click on Settings. Now we will start the redirection setup. So scroll down and click on Start Setup. The basic setup page will appear. Check all these options so you can have a log of all the redirects and 404 errors. Then click on Continue Setup. Next, the plugin checks the site of at least one working REST API. If there is, it will indicate good, but in any case, if you experience any problem here, then you should contact your host. Then click on Finish Setup. After the setup is complete, click on Finish. Click on Redirects. Now you can add new redirects here. In the source URL, paste the URL you want people to be redirected from. Next, in the target URL, enter the new URL. Then when you're done, just click here on Add Redirect. This is how you can create custom permalinks in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.